But yeah, I'd still, even though you're in a car park, I'd still maybe think about, especially going right, using a signal. Alright then, pick a bay and reverse into it.
Many choices.
You have now, haven't you? Which way do you want to go?
We're going that one there.
Alright, good. Try again. It should clunk.
No.
If you want, go back into neutral again. If sometimes it gets out, bring your clutch up, back down again. There you go, now try it. Feel the difference?
Yeah.
Alright, where are we checking?
Behind, in front, blind spots.
Good.
Don't even need any gas here, just lift the clutch up.
Just a tiny bit, I bite you.
Keep your foot on the brake.
Just you dip your clutch like we did in the car park before. Where are we checking again?
Mirrors again.
Good.
Blind spot again.
You can have the tunes on now. Good. You happy with that? Brake. Good. That wall makes me nervous. It's okay, like you've got loads of space for it. Well, I always think, what if that learner just slips with the clutch?
I've smashed this.
You have? It's good, that. It's good. Yeah, when there's a wall, I think every driving instructor has got in their mind if their foot slips.
Yeah.
Imagine that, you'd be straight on to Talbot Street. Like, is it like a Bond movie where it goes straight out? Or Bourne, is it? Bourne or Bond? I think maybe both. I think one of them reverses out though and it goes...
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Nailed it, good. Easily in.
Yeah.
How can you tell as well without looking at those lines? And you know
this space here.
Yeah.
If you line up with this space, sorted.
They're all in line, aren't they?
Yeah.
Some car parks aren't, no?
No, that is very true. You do get odd car parks.
Depends on the alignment.
Like
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, so if it's diagonal ones, you'd go forwards into them.
Yeah.
You could reverse into them, but it's a little bit of a wiggle.
Yeah.
At the seafront, diagonal, so it's designed for you to go forwards in, because it's in like a one-way street as well.
Yeah.
And then you go in diagonal.
Because I remember obviously when we were at Dobby's.
Yeah.
And I remember the little trick you were saying, like, keep your eye on that space.
Yeah.
And basically try and picture the line that you're going in that space.
Exactly, yeah.
So
yeah.
So that sounds a bit
like that's reliable.
Yeah.
You've got you know where you're going, you're next to the line on your right,
Yeah.
you can see the line on your left, you're in the line, you're coming back. Another reference point can be that bay there.
Yeah, and I was also looking at the line on this side and the line on that side.
Yeah. Sometimes they're not in line, it depends on the alignment of where they start the bays. So you want to keep an eye out. When you're coming in though, have a scan. Think to yourself, are they in line? And you can use it then. Yeah.
Looking at them this way, like, so the middle one seems a bit off for that's the further one on.
Yeah.
Because obviously...
Could be the bump, so could be
But then that's obviously...
yeah.
So I think I'm going to pick this one.
That's a good choice. Good choice. Good. Alright then. Out then. Let's go.
Yeah.
Before we say over our time. Where are we checking again?
Black mirrors.
Good. What are you going to set? Where's the blind spot checks? Starting which side?
This side.
Other side? I'd start on the left because then you're driving to the right.
Yeah, that
So
makes
you
sense.
finish on the one you're driving towards, ideally.
That makes sense.
I know there's a wall behind you. There's no, the chances of anyone actually being there, but
very safe.
we want to get into the habit of doing it as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Once it's stuck in your head,
Yeah.
then sort it. Then you know.
What if?